Hello, friends. It's great to be back with you again. Let us see what Samarth Ramdas Swami has said in his 111th shloka. हिता कारण बोलणे सत्य आहे हिता कारण सर्व शोधूनि पाहे हिता कारणे बंड पाखांडवारी तुटे वाद संवाद तो हितकारी. The meaning of this shloka is, for the benefit of all, it is important to speak the truth. For the sake of the benefit of all, it is important to find out the truth behind everything. For the sake of the benefit of all, we should shun the rebellion thoughts which deny the existence of God. Know that dialogue is the best solution to stop the arguments. Here is the explanation. Samarth Ramdas Swami is guiding us here, mentioning that it is critical to speak the truth for the sake of the benefit of all. In order to speak the truth, we should first do a thorough inquiry. Unless and until we look at the facts from various angles, we will not be able to understand the truth. With the clarity of mind which will be there as a result of the inquiry, it will become easy to stop the tendency of being atheist, not believing in God. Even when we meet someone who is an atheist, there are chances that it will end up in arguments and counter arguments about the existence of God. There will be a quest to find the truth. Once we understand it, then there will be total clarity of mind, and we will be able to focus on having a discussion in order to answer all the rebellious questions the atheist will have. Until we know the truth, we cannot have a discussion. There will be questions of all sorts for which we will need to find the answers, or there will be just fruitless arguments. But once we have all the answers, then we will have discussions to educate others as well as to validate our findings, and then we will not be in the mode of arguments for the sake of arguments. We will realize that discussion with that clarity is going to automatically help to shun the debates arising out of questioning and proving the existence of God. Friends, if you have liked this explanation, feel free to provide your valuable feedback and comments, and do share and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ